Hey there!
This is Apple iPhone SE 2020 review. Everything you need to know. So let's get started.
Enjoy! A new 4.7-inch iPhone that looks like the iPhone 8 but has the internals of the iPhone 11 has launched.
The iPhone SE 2020 is built around one goal: to launch a new iPhone for less money than ever.
And it achieves it well.
For less than $400, that is close to 1700 dirhams.
You get Apple's blazing A13 Bionic processor delivering not just the fastest performance around but also camera capabilities you'd expect from a pricier phone. And it's all wrapped in a compact design for people who prefer small phones.
Available in black, white and red.
Product red.
The iPhone SE is built with a glass front and back with a color matte aluminum band. Wireless charging is supported and it features IP67 water and dust resistance, so it can hold 2 splashes and even brief submersions in water. Some old school features are along for the rider here too, such as Touch ID.
For unlocking the device. Yay! Touch ID made a return! The iPhone SE 2020 is one of the best phone values because it redefines what a cheap phone can do.
We at Ultra Factory have made it more affordable by providing pre-owned certified devices.
So what are you waiting for?
Click on Buy Now, link given in the description below,
Or call us on our given number to book your favorite device or console.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.